Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rex Rahul. In today's video we will learn about static code analysis using SpotBugs. So in modern software development, clean reliable code isn't just a goal, it's a requirement. But how do you catch bugs early before they cause real issues? Today we are diving into static code analysis in Java using SpotBugs integrated seamlessly with Gradle. So let's get started. Static code analysis involves inspecting your source code for potential errors, code smells, or bugs without actually running the program. It's like having a second pair of eyes on every line of your code. Unlike unit tests, static analysis tools flag issues such as null pointer risks, bad practices, or even security vulnerabilities before time. SpotBugs is a widely used static code analysis tool for Java. It analyzes Java bytecode and reports common bug patterns such as null dereferences, dead code, or synchronization issues. So let's get started with setting up these SpotBugs with Gradle in our project. To integrate SpotBugs with Gradle, first of all we will have to add the plugin here. So we have included the plugin here. Let's build the project. Let's see what happens. So build is successful. Let's go here in the build. This is the generated folder build, and let's go here if any report is generated. So this is not a report of a SpotBugs. Here we could not find the report. So to generate the report we will have to do some configuration which type of report we want to generate. So two types of report are supported, XML and HTML. So to do that, let's configure SpotBugs task. So this task we have to configure, and we have to configure the reports. Like we want to generate the HTML report which is required. We have set the HTML report as required. Let's clean first and build the project. Let's see what happens. Our report is here with the name main.html. Let's open it. Let's open it in browser. So this is the report which is generated. Currently it is not reporting any error or bugs in the code. So let's create one bug and try to get the report of that. So let's create a bug. Let's make it public. Build the code again. Build is failed, and the problem is a failure occurred while executing SpotBugs. Verification failed. SpotBugs ended with exit code 1. So SpotBugs has failed our build. So let's see the report. What is the issue? So it has analyzed three classes here: my string printer, person, and main, and these are the metrics SpotBugs reported. So medium priority warnings are 1 only, and bad practice warning, this is bad practice warning it has reported, and it says primitive field person.id is public and set from inside the class, which makes it too exposed, so it should not be public. So the code of this bug is BA. We will get back to this code later on. So let's generate another error. What if we pass null? So we have generated another bug here. So if we pass null to a non-null parameter, let's again create the report. Again the build has failed. Let's check the report again. So this time SpotBugs has two bugs, and bugs are warnings. First one is PA, which is primitive field person ID is public, and second one is null pointer passed for non-null parameter of my string printer. So what is happening now is when SpotBugs is finding a bug in the code, it fails the build. But what if we don't want to fail the build? So then we will have to configure these SpotBugs to ignore the failures. So ignore failures equal to true. Let's build the project again. So you can see the build is passed now, but the report will still be generated, and we can refresh it here. Let's say if we don't want to fail our build when this bug is reported. So currently SpotBugs will find all the bugs and it will report, but won't fail the build because we have set ignore failures equal to true. But we don't want this behavior. If we want to fail our build but we want to ignore some bugs, we can do that. So like if we want to ignore this bug, which is primitive field is public and set from inside the class, this we can ignore. So to do that, we will have to create a file, SpotBugs exclude. So inside this we will have to create a filter, which is find bugs filter. So this filter will match the bug with the code PA. So we have added a filter here, so whenever SpotBugs will find this bug, it will ignore that bug. Now what we have to do is to declare this exclude file in SpotBugs. So here we will declare this filter. So we have a file which is SpotBugs exclude.xml. So build is successful now, and let's check the report. Yes, so it is currently reporting only one bug. So it is only null pointer which SpotBugs has reported, but it did not report this bug. So likewise we can also do this for null pointer. So now we can set this to false so that it will fail the build when it finds a bug. So there is still a bug which is null pointer. If we refresh the report, so this bug we have to address in our code. So we have to pass the person object. We can't pass null here. Now Again build our project and generate the report. So you can see build is successful, and if we see the report, if it is generated, yes, it is generated. And if we see the report, so there are 0 warnings or 0 bugs reported now. So code is clean now. So that's all for this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Rex Rahul.